Hi there. I am coming to you with a haul, trying to do it very quickly. As you know, I've gotten a lot of stuff in, and I'm trying to do this haul because I want to remember most of what I got in. I'm hoping I am not forgetting anything. Okay, as you can see, some stuff is visible. I want to show this. First of all, some of this stuff is not nail related because my channel is Jeans, Nails, and stuff. Okay, first of all, I want to show this that I got from Nail Couture. It is the 16-ounce monomer, and I am loving this. I am going to be honest and say I really love this a lot more than I love Mia Secret. I am enjoying this so much. I like the smell of it. It does have that cotton candy smell to it, but I am really enjoying this. This is the third bottle that I've ordered. I ordered the small one first, as I did the video on that one, this one right here. I ordered this one first just to try it out. Then I ordered the 8 ounce. Then now I'm doing the 16 ounce. And I'm really loving it. Okay, next I have some polishes that I got in from Born Pretty. I'm trying to show if I can. Without it having a glare on it. That's like a silver glitter. This one is like a bluish color with a lot of glitter in it. It's beautiful. These are very beautiful. This one is like a brownish color, like a copperish color. Gorgeous. Okay, this is, I don't know if you can see it. Trying to get it where it'll focus. This camera is so ridiculous. See if we can focus. But it's not. That's Star Moon Gel. The silverish one is, okay, it doesn't have, all of these are Star Moon Gels. Okay, so those are the colors. I'm not going back over them again. Okay, my nails. I showed them in the other video. And I just want to say this is the top coat that I use for these nails, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the nails still have that shine that I did when the first day that I did them, and it's still, because it's by Poochie's Nails. I don't know if it'll, I don't know why this camera don't want to focus any better than it does. But anyway, I love that top coat. I also got this, another one of these in from Nail Couture, and it's the shiny. And these are my two favorite top coats right here. I love these top coats. Both of them are absolutely great. Two more items I want to show is two nail brushes that I got in. These are size 20s. I'm trying different brushes, and both of these came from Amazon. Anything that you want a link to. This one looks really huge. I mean, man, this is a big brush. Wow, that's a big brush. It's a huge brush. Anything that you want to link to, just let me know, and I will put the link for it. Okay, I got this in with the Nail Couture liquid. They sent me this for free. I already have one, and they sent me another one. I am enjoying these. These are wonderful. Like when you want to just do one nail or something like that. I usually do this one for my thumbs instead of trying. I don't like putting my thumb inside of the a lamp, so I usually do my thumb with one of these, and these are absolutely gorgeous. I mean they're absolutely awesome. Okay, I got these in from Amazon. trying to get them where you can see them. And these are face masks. And they're 50 pieces, and these are the different colors that come in. They're all different colors. Got these in from Amazon. Okay. Move this around. And I picked this up from Walmart. I just love this stuff. Elf has some really good stuff. They have some really good products. And I ordered this. I actually ordered these from, you can order them from Real Techniques. I ordered 3 of them. But I did also order these. These right here, I ordered these from Amazon. And they're the Miracle Diamond Sponge. I really like this. So I ordered 3 more. I threw the other one away because I had had it for so long. And ordered me 3 new ones. So I got these in. And let's see. Some more stuff that I got in that is nail related. I'm going to do all the nail related stuff first. I got these nail tips in from eBay. And they come with duck feet, stiletto, and the square tip. The long square. Here's some of the duck feet. These are absolutely gorgeous. I like these. I cannot wait to try these out. Here's some purple ones. Here's some green ones. These will be nice for during Christmas time. And here's some gold looking ones, but these are pretty. They all have glitter on them. Some of them I got in, I showed in the other video. So they sent some double, so I didn't show those again. These are absolutely beautiful. These are the squares. I'll either make these into coffin or I'll make them into stiletto or almond. I like almond shape a little bit better. I like that real pointy of stiletto. These are gorgeous. And I showed you the other video where I got when I did my tour. These are nice. They got glitter on them. These are really nice too. Here's these. The reason why this one looks so full is because, as I said, I got the other order in, and these came in the other order also. So I just put the ones in here. I use them in here. And here's this one. These are stilettos. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm thinking about doing this one next. I'm not sure. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. That is it for the nail stuff. Now to show. Now I know there's a. Okay, let me move this stuff to the side. Well, let me start with this. It's one more nail thing. The reason why I have this up here is because I did get this in. This is a handpiece that I got in to go along with this machine. And it works beautifully with this machine. It really does. This is the handpiece that actually came with the machine. This one is the one. But this handpiece seems to be a little bit too powerful for this machine. So I use this with my Marathon e-file. And I got this one in and it works wonderfully. It's really light. And it's red also. Color goes great with it. So that's why I got that one. Okay, now moving on. I got this little cutie in because I'm taking Bible classes, and I need to be able to record. I know I have my cell phone and I also have my iPad, but I just wanted to get one of these to see how well they would work. And this one, I've tried it out and it seems to work really great so that I can record my classes, my teachers and stuff. And this one works really nicely. I got that from Amazon. I also got in this from HSN. I'm gonna have to move some of these nails. See if I can move some of these out of the way. I got this in from HSN. It's a Protus media recorder because I have a lot of VHS tapes, and you can no longer purchase VHS machines or VHS tapes unless you order them online from somebody. And so I decided I was going to, or I happened to see this and I ordered it because what you can do is you can record from any one of these devices onto this, which has, it comes with 15 DVDs, and you can record from VHS onto here and put it onto DVD. And that's what I need to do. I have so many different things on VHS that I want to transfer to DVD. And this I've tried it and it works really, really, really well. I love it. This is what I've been looking for, and I finally found it, so I did order it. Okay, and I also ordered these, and these came in today. The Philips DVDs. It's 100 of them in here, as you can see. They're blank discs. And so I ordered these to go along with that. And I'll probably get over there in a few minutes and start recording again. So guys, this is my haul for right now. And that is all that I can think of. So I had to come on and do this video because things were just piling up and I was beginning to put them away, and then I had to go dig some stuff out so that I could do this video. And I am, hoping that hope you enjoy it. And all right, I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.